Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Testi and signing in. Use your email and confirm the verification code so data syncs. Once signed in, tap New Project, give it a clear name and select a template that matches your test type. Make sure to choose the correct target device or OS version so results are relevant. Finally, accept microphone, camera, and storage permissions when Testi asks. Without them, you can't record sessions or collect logs. Now you configure the test flow. Add each step with a short action and the expected outcome, then assign durations so automated runners know pacing. After that, add variables like user ID, environment tags, and network profiles to run permutations quickly. Once variables are set, attach any required test data, screenshots, or pre-recorded media. This ensures reproducibility. If you plan parallel runs, use naming conventions and labels. Execute the test either live so you can watch interactions or headless for fast batch runs. Pick the device pool and press run. Once complete, go to results to review logs, screenshots, and stack traces so you know what failed and why. If a step failed, rerun that specific step with adjusted input or attach a note for developers. Finally, export a report as CSV or PDF to share. If something breaks, clear cache, recheck permissions, and rerun the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.